Hello everyone. If your TP-Link Deco M4 is not working properly, running slow, or you want to set it up again, this video will show you how to factory reset it step by step. Step 1. Power on the router. First, make sure your TP-Link Deco M4 is powered on and the LED light is stable. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Now, look at the bottom of the Deco unit and find the small reset hole. Step 3. Press and hold. Take a paper clip or pin and press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Watch the LED light. When the LED turns yellow and starts flashing, release the button. Step 5. Wait for reboot. The router will now restart automatically. Please wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Factory reset complete. When the LED starts pulsing blue, the factory reset is complete. Step 7. Set up again. You can now open the TP-Link Deco app and set up your router like new. Important note: remember, a factory reset will erase all Wi-Fi names, passwords, and settings. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.